Today is Thursday, May 9, 8:45 a.m. The market opens in 45 minutes. These are the levels in the SPY that we'll use today to trade against in the E-mini futures. There is a zone indicated by the dashed lines. If price gets up there at some point after the market closes, we'll come back to this chart, analyze all the trades taken in the E-minis based off of these levels in the spiders. See you then. And here we are. It's almost 7 o'clock. Time to talk about the levels and how the spiders reacted to them. So I didn't take any trades today. It's because this morning there was a lot of storms coming through the area, and while I was doing the prep work, pre-market analysis, making the video for the morning, the internet cut out several times, and it was pretty bad outside. So I decided I did not want to risk anything and get stuck in a trade if the internet went out. So I just closed up shop and did not trade anything all day. So I'm looking at this kind of for the first time in the last 30 minutes or so, and just going to re-engineer the trades as they would have happened. And I'm just going to go ahead and adjust these levels as price came into these levels and show you how the trades would have worked. So I'm going to apply a 5-cent buffer as price came into the 75. I think that's right. I'll double check that just 1 second. Yes. So at 9:45, the spiders were well below 517.15. So this would have been a short trade, and like yesterday, it would not have worked. It just price went right up. So I analyzed where a fumble signal would have occurred, and I'll take a look at the minute. I think it was 8.5 points. It's on the tracking log. So 8.5 points lost at the level, and then when it was reversed, it was a base hit. So 4 more points. If you're just playing by the rules, you would have washed about half of that out. Remember I said this was a zone up here? So going short when it got to this level, and then going short again up here, and you could have sold again in the middle, but let's just say you're playing by the rules, just treating each level independently. Then holding onto this one, it would have given you a base hit even after poking its head above the fumble threshold, but no signal was given. So it wasn't as strong as a pullback, but the zone definitely worked, and they hung out above this general area for a while. And this last level would have been valid for a trade based on the time of day. 2:46 p.m., 2:47 p.m. it would have hit this, or did hit this level, and it never got down. It never bounced far enough down for a base hit, and never got high up enough to reverse or institute a plan B. So closing this out at a certain time before the market closes, you would have basically been a wash. I think it was like a half of a point to the good. It was down here somewhere. So what does that look like in terms of profit and loss? We'll take a look at the tracking log now. Yeah, so you would have started out the day with negative 8.5 points on that fumble, gained a base hit on the reversal. You would have gained 8 more points on those other 2 levels because that combined position provided a base hit. And the last level up, it's green here, but I think it's just half a point or so closed out that's where it was when it was closed out. So here's the way your day would have ended based on number of contracts, roughly, before commissions. Take a look at my log here. All the levels were hit, but I did not take any trades today. So just got other things done. Sometimes that'll happen. Days like that, I didn't want to risk anything. So that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot more to see. I don't know if you found this helpful today. Nothing to see, no recordings because there was no trades. At least I wasn't trading. But if you had the levels this morning, you could have, and maybe taken a chance with them. I'm not sure if anyone's trading these. I haven't gotten a ton of feedback, but if you are, I wish you the best of luck. And soon enough, you'll have the rules. Thanks and have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.